Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. As in my last video, I have explained the feature of our Protect WP Admin free version. Okay, so in this video, I am going to explain the feature of Pro add-on and also how you can use it in your website. Okay, and how it can help you to protect your WordPress admin from hackers or a spammer. Okay, so let's start. So first, you will need to choose the install the our add-ons by your zip file. Okay, so when you will you will download the add-on our official website. Okay, in that case we will send you the add-on links on your email id that you will choose to payment. Okay, so you can access the website from where. Okay, so you will able to download the zip file of your order confirmation email. Okay, so let me choose my zip file, my zip file. Okay. Will be expert, this one product. Okay, this one. Okay, so open. Okay, now install it. Our add-on is successfully installed. Let's activate. The plugins are now successfully installed. Okay, so you will see when I will going to activate the our pro version, the free version automatically going to disable. Okay, so it means after configure the plugin settings of our pro version, you can delete our free version. Okay, so because we have already included all the feature of free version into pro add-on, so there will not require the free version, so you can delete it after the configure plugin setting. Okay, so you will see settings are already there, and general settings are already there as per given url. Okay, so here you will see able to, let me click on admin, then you will able to see the our custom admins. Okay, so if you want to change the your username my admin like something like that, in that case you can just update the setting and this will not work because we have changed, so our preview URL will not work. Okay, so after install the plugins you must have need to click on preview of your new admin URL link. Okay, so it will to make sure that your plugins are working, our your new your admin URL is working on preview URL. So you can check your new admin URL via using preview link. Okay, so these are the setting I have already explained the settings also. And free version you can restrict the non admin user to access the WP admin dashboard. Okay, and log out admin after login user, this is optional. Okay, if you want to log out the WordPress admin after the update new admin URL, in that case you can choose this option. Okay, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Okay, allow admin dashboard to access, this is the same as like free version. You can define the separate multiple comma id user id multi user id with comma separated, so these all user will be accessible, will able to access the WP admin dashboard after login into WordPress. Okay, so define the redirect URL. Okay, here you can define the WordPress default login URL. It means when it means after change the new URL of your website. Okay, if someone will try to access your WordPress URL using default admin URL slash WP admin, okay, in that case you can redirect that user from any other page or on your home page website. So you can define the website redirect page URL here. Okay, so these are the setting, and here we have given the feature to update the username of any customer. Okay, existing customer, your existing user. Okay, for example, let me create a new test at the rate gmail.com. Password the rate, confirm, send email. Okay, so let me create a new subscriber. Okay, so let me create a new subscriber created test 1 2 3. Okay, so let me show you how you can change the username. This is the current username. Okay, you can see this is the current username of this. So let me change this to test demo. Okay, so click OK, continue. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your username demo, and you will need to log in again. Okay, so you will see the username has been changed. Okay, so in same way you can change any other user name as well here. Okay, so as per your requirement you can choose this feature. Use on your website we have given this extra feature especially to change your username from admin. Okay, sometime if you want feel to change the any existing customer username, in that case you can easily here. Okay, so these are setting from login attempt counter setting. Okay, and this setting we have given the login counter enable. Okay, let me activate it and set login attempt for how many attempt you want to allow to user to login into your admin website admin. Okay, so let me give a 1 2 and for 1 minute. Okay, I am now giving to allow 2 attempt and set block time for 2 minutes. Okay, so let me check how it's working. You can change the admin URL. Okay, so let me log out my username. Okay, this is our. Okay, if I will try to login WP login, if someone try to login using your default then you will not able to access the admin as you have changed the admin URL. Okay, so you have need to put your new admin URL here. Okay, otherwise you will not able to access your website. Okay, so let me save it. Yes, oh sorry, I was explaining to my admin. Okay, and let me try to given some different. Okay, invalid username. I am now going to explain how our login counter work. Okay, so you can see you have reached the limit login limit 2 of one username. Please try again after 1 minute. Okay, so after my unsuccessful 2 attempt, my login page has been blocked for 1 minute as I ever set up the plugin settings. Okay, so I have need to wait 1 minute. Okay, so after 1 minute I will able to access the admin using my correct URL. Okay, and if I will try again with wrong username or password, then after 2 attempt it will automatically blocked for 1 minute. Okay, so we have need to wait at least 1 minute. Okay, till now let me show you our add-on functionality, how you can purchase it. Okay, we have given the option here. Okay, you can access the Protect 11 Pro. Okay, and here you able to see our different plan as per your requirement. This for especially if you want to use your website for single website, then you can choose personal plan. If you want to use the our more than one but below 5 website, then you can choose premium plan. If you want to use our plugin on your more than 5 website, okay, in that case you have need to choose the 150 plugin. Okay, and these are plans same, one things are same, these all are one time payment. Okay, so there are no need to pay any yearly charges or monthly charges, just you have need to pay one time and receive your add-on file. Okay, so you can choose as any plan as per your requirement. Okay, so there are only difference number of website. Okay, like first one is single website and second one premium plan is for 5 website and business plan is for unlimited website. Okay, there are only difference also in month support, means personal support we are given the 1 month free support, and premium plan we have given 3 month free support, and business plan we have given the 1 year free support. Okay, so these are the plans you can choose as per your web requirement. Okay, we have listed the features of the for add-on here as well, and we have given the video as well, so you can choose as per your requirement. Let me try again with correct username. It should be work now. Yes, this time I am able to access the admin. Okay, so let me show the settings. Okay, so these are the settings we have already explained, and we can choose this one as well, and login page style. Okay, here you will to define the logo. If you want to give the external page as logo, then you can define the logo URL here. Okay, like if you want to give the logo of your WordPress login admin logo page to any other website, like currently it's going to wordpress.org. Okay, if you want to give the your website link on this logo, in that case you have need to link the URL here. Okay, and you can choose the logo page here. Okay, and we have given the, if you want to choose the any image as background, then you can choose here. Okay, and let me save the settings. Okay, and click on preview. Okay, you can see our logo has been changed, and you will able to see the URL of the our WordPress login page logo also has been changed to our website. Okay, so these are the settings you can access, and here we have given some style inline CSS settings here. So you will also change the background color, like if you want to change the background color to 00, in that case you have need to choose it means black color. Okay, okay, and same way you can choose other setting as well as per your website design requirement. Okay, so these are the setting are also clear. Recent login history. Okay, in this section we have given a extra feature in our product add-on, so you will able to see the recent login IP addresses and date and time. Okay, so like if you have created many user admin user, more than one admin user. Okay, and if you want to track the all user details from admin as well. Okay, so in that case you can choose this option. Okay, so you will able to see the all recent login history here. You will see able to the username. Okay, as I am going to login every time with manager, that's why it's showing manager Amti. This is our IP, local IP, okay, and this is showing Friday and different time 260 55. Okay, so here we able to see the login history as well. So these are the our settings, and these are the our other plugin as well. So custom social share, SEO manager, sales notify, tracking manager, category widget, protect admin, version remover, post widget, WP importer, CSV importer. This is basically to create the dynamic pages via CSV file, and testimonial commerce sales count manager. Okay, and using this plugin you can show or the number of sold item, product item on your website, or you can also manage the sold number of sold item from admin as well. Okay, so these are the settings. Similarly, WP YouTube gallery, we have created this plugin to add the WP YouTube gallery on your website. Same here, tweet slider, you can choose your Twitter to display the tweet slide, tweets as a slide on your website. Okay, and these are all the our plugins. So you, as per your requirement, you can choose, you can use our other plugin as well. These all plugins are available on WordPress official website. Okay, so guys, these are the settings our provide on. I hope you like this. Okay, so basically let me summarize. We have given the provide on settings. Here we are able to change the admin URL. You will be able to restrict the non-admin URL to access the admin dashboard. You will be able to define the logout URL. Okay, and you will able to allow the admin few user, some specific user to access the admin dashboard. Okay, here you will to be able to define the custom redirect URL if someone or any spam user will try to access your WP admin. Okay, so these are the setting. This is one for to change the admin username. Okay, if you want to change any existing your username, in that case you can choose update your existing user customer here. Okay, and login attempt counter, here you can update the setting as per your, if you want to give more than login attempt, like you want to give 5 attempt chance to login into admin. Okay, and if you want to choose the 10-minute blocking time. Okay, so when user will try to unsuccessful attempt 5 times, okay, after that the login page will be automatically block for next 10 minutes. Okay, in that case user will not able to access the admin URL even they try to with correct username or password. Okay, so these are the setting. Login page, here you will able to choose the login page size. Okay, and here we will able to choose the like background size like this one. Okay, you can choose background size. This is not fit going to fit on this URL, so as per your website design you can choose this one. Okay, recent login history, you can access the login history here. Okay, so guys, all is clear. I hope all is clear. If you have any query, then you can leave message in comment box as well. Okay, or if you like our plugins, you can leave your valuable feedback on official website, WordPress official website. Okay, it will really helpful to make our plugins more popular compared to other plugins. Okay, so guys, it's enough for today. I will back again with some other video with some other useful information for you. So guys, if you like, then you can purchase the plugins from our official website www.wp-expert.in www.wpexperts.in. Okay, so under product section, sorry, www.wp-experts.in. Okay, these are our official website. Here you will to download the our add-on plugins. We have given the add-on links. Okay, in this video comment box, message box, I will give in the add-on download link as well. Okay, so take care guys, I will back again. If you like my video, if you want to some or other information, then you can leave the comment box. I will try to create a new video only for you. Okay, bye bye, take care.